The horrific and unjustified attack by Hamas on Israel on the 7th of October 2023 has been followed by the brutal waging of war by Israel in Gaza that has inflicted appalling suffering on Palestinians in Gaza, while, of course, increasing dramatically tensions in an already very damaged and fragile region. There simply must be an immediate ceasefire, the release of all remaining hostages, and the resumption of unhindered humanitarian assistance to the people of Gaza, and at an unprecedented scale. It has been over 50 days since food, medicines, and other essential supplies have not been allowed into Gaza. Israel's continuing humanitarian blockade is pushing Gaza closer to a hunger crisis. This must be lifted immediately. It is simply wrong in principle and in law to inflict hunger and suffering on a civilian population, whatever the circumstances. This behaviour clearly constitutes a war crime. It is also wholly unacceptable to contemplate the mass displacement of people in Gaza or to talk of permanent occupation. Not only is it an affront to decency and to international law, history tells us it offers absolutely no solution. Ireland remains convinced that the implementation of a two-state solution is the only way to establish lasting peace and security for both Israel and Palestine and the wider region. We will continue to work with international partners to step up our efforts to achieve that goal.